Every day at 10 p.m., this workflow rewrites my entire YouTube library. Fresh affiliate links, optimized descriptions, zero manual work. While I'm asleep, my content stays current and earns. YouTube descriptions rot. Affiliate programs change links. Promotions expire. That Gumroad link you added 3 months ago? Dead. But manually updating hundreds of videos. That's a full-time job you don't have time for. This is the n8n workflow that solved it. 5 core stages: trigger, fetch, transform, execute, log. It runs on a schedule, processes every video on your channel, and updates them with fresh, AI-generated descriptions pulling from a living database of your current links. It starts with a schedule trigger. This is your automation's alarm clock. I've set mine for 10 p.m. daily using a cron expression, but you could run this weekly, monthly, or only on specific days. The key is, you set it once, and it never forgets. Once triggered, the YouTube node fetches all your videos. Notice the configuration: get many videos, ordered by date, with full access through Auth. This pulls every video's title, description, ID, everything we need to make intelligent updates. Here's where it gets smart. Each video goes through a Python processor that builds a custom AI prompt. Look at this prompt. It's not generic. It instructs the AI to check your data table for current links, write original copy for each one, and keep closings under 3 sentences. No template BS. Then it hits the load balancer. See this Assign AI Agent node? It rotates between 3 separate AI agents to avoid rate limits. Smart distribution means faster processing without API throttling. The switch node routes each video to its assigned AI agent. These aren't just chat models, they're full AI agents with tool access. Each agent can query your data table, pull current affiliate links, and generate structured JSON output that matches your exact schema. Your affiliate links live in an n8n data table. Think of it as your source of truth. When you update a link here, every future video description pulls the new URL. One update: infinite applications. The AI agent queries this table every single time it writes a description. Before the description hits YouTube, it passes through a JavaScript cleanup node. This strips excessive line breaks, formats the output, and ensures consistency. Because AI can be creative, but you need your descriptions to be production ready. 2 things happen simultaneously. First, the Google Sheets node logs everything: old description, new description, what changed, video link. Perfect for auditing or rollbacks. Second, the YouTube Update node pushes the new description live. Same video ID, same title, but fresh content. Once a video updates, it loops back. The Loop Over Items node processes the next video in the queue. This continues until every video on your channel has been processed. Batch execution with built-in flow control. Let me show you what this actually produces. Here's a before and after from my channel. Old description, generic, outdated links. New description, custom header, fresh affiliate URLs with helpful context, professional 3-sentence closing. Same video, same content, better monetization. Here's what this means for revenue. Every video is now a current sales funnel. Affiliate programs update their links. One change in your data table refreshes your entire library overnight. New product to promote? Add it once, deploy it everywhere. This isn't automation for automation's sake. It's passive income infrastructure. For the technical folks, this uses AI agents, not basic chat completion. The agents have tool access, specifically the n8n data table tool. They execute function calls to query your links, then use structured output parsing to guarantee valid JSON every time. The load balancing: Python counter in temp storage rotating between 3 OpenAI credentials. No vendor lock-in. You can modify everything. Change the schedule, weekly instead of daily. Adjust the prompt. Different tone, different structure. Add more AI agents for faster processing. Filter which videos get updated based on views, age, or category. The workflow is a template, not a prison. What you need: an n8n instance, cloud or self-hosted. OpenAI API key with GPT-4 access. YouTube Auth connected to your channel. Google Sheets for logging. 5 minutes of configuration. That's it. No coding required unless you want to customize the prompts. Let me run this live. Watch the execution log. Schedule triggers. Videos fetch. AI agents activate in rotation. Descriptions generate. Sheets populate. YouTube updates. This is processing multiple videos simultaneously. When it completes, check the Google Sheet. Full audit trail of every change made. This workflow is available for AlgoNova clients, or you can build it yourself using this video as a guide. If you want the exact template, the link structure, and the prompt engineering that powers this, check the description. And if you want us to build custom automation like this for your business, that's what we do.